So that's that. We're looking at the texture of the market. While yesterday continued to be a sideways range-bound kind of session and we dragged our feet all the way back to 14,800. Let's see where we actually head today, because today it seems like we're going to be lower in trade. The first rates then on your screens as we stare at them. 14,700 thereabouts is where the Nifty has started off trade. About 200 points gone for the Sensex as well. The big trend, of course, has been fuel prices. Given the kind of 6% crash that you've seen in crude and few sporadic cuts as well, you've got news on your screen, and there's been a fuel price revision. Petrol now costs cheaper as opposed to what it was earlier quoting in states like Delhi, so 90.99 rupees per litre, and diesel as well. IOC has cut petrol prices by 18 paise per litre and diesel for 17 paise per litre in Delhi. So let's see whether the markets try and price in that cool-off that is coming on crude, because remember, that is a big raw material cost for most industries, and given that across the board you have seen commodities actually spike up, raw material costs for many companies were actually beginning to bulge up. So about 0.6% lower for the Nifty as we speak. The breath has started off in the negative as well. I'm going to quickly bring up the list of movers. Jindal Steel, as I see, that's down by about 2%. Interglobe Aviation sees some more pressure, down 2%. Tata Motors is down 2% as well. RBL Bank down 1.5%. Balkrishna Industries down 1.6%. Gujarat Gas 2% lower. M&M Finance down 1.6%. But it's the Adani twins that continue to spiral up. Yesterday as well was a big winner. A day before, you had a huge spike in these names, a breakout on the charts, and today as well, that momentum continues. Adani Enterprises is now at 1,072, by the way, and that's another fresh uptick of 1.5%. Glenmark, Berger Paints, Granules, and Trent, of course, is your big mover, about 1.5% uptick there. Having said that, the Nifty is looking brittle, so are the broader markets, irrespective of the movers that I just highlighted. The biggest gainer is only Adani Ports and Asian Paints, and they're less than 1% higher. Tata Steel, ICICI Bank, ONGC, SBI, Hindalco, Axis Bank, they're your biggest losers. ONGC sliding about 1.6%. So the tilt of the market definitely is that towards the red as we speak. And now bigger names joining the pressure points. Interglobe Aviation slips further, 1.6% lower, and Nalco 2, which is down by about 2% as we speak right now.